Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video I am going to solve reasoning questions of blood relation, as I got some comments in which someone was asking that how I solve blood relations, and I will show you my approach, okay? And if you want to connect to me, then you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in description, and the link of this book and other 4000 question smart book is given in description and in the pinned comment also. So if you want to purchase any of these books, you can go and tap on the link and purchase from there, okay? So this is the question which I am going to solve. This is a two variable question, okay? In a family there are 6 members, A B C D E F, and their profession is also given, and there are 2 married couples. So we have to keep this thing in mind that there are 2 married couples. So first of all, D is a policeman, is married to lady manager. So I used to make the diagram with reading. D is the police, and for married we use this sign, okay? And he is married to lady manager, and from here also we can understand that lady manager, it means she is a female. But we will proceed with the question, because it can happen that it can be a male also, like in reasoning anything can happen. Then the doctor is married to teacher. So we have found our second couple. Doctor is married to teacher. So now both of, like, the couples are completed. Now other persons will be there but not the couples, okay? Because there are only 2 couples. Then F, the salesman, is the son of B and brother of E. So F is a salesman, and F is the brother of E. It means F is male and brother of E. For brother I use this sign, and for couple I use this arrow, okay? And F is the son of B. So here F is the son of B. It means B is the father or mother of F, okay? Then there is C, the teacher, is the daughter-in-law of A. So C, who is a teacher, C, who is a teacher, it, and teacher is married to doctor, and she is the daughter-in-law of A. It means that A is the mother of the doctor, okay? And she is the teacher and she is the daughter-in-law. It means C is female. And now we can see that D is police. This pair is already made. Now we are left with lady manager. So it means A is lady manager and A is married to D, who is male and who is police. So we are done with this, and now we are left with B, F sales manager, and E. It means that B is the father of F, and here also we can see that E is the unmarried engineer, A is the grandmother of F. So E is the unmarried engineer and A is the grandmother of F. It means that F is the son of these two, and F is the brother of E, as we written here. F is the brother of E, and F is the salesman and E is engineer. And now here B will be the doctor and B will be the male. So this is the way to solve the blood relations, and I have taught you, and so that's why I took time. Otherwise, like, this question could have been solved in 1.5 minutes, not more than that, because this is a very easy question. So this is the way to solve the blood relations, and use these signs properly for couples and for brother and sisters, okay? And this is the sign for their son or daughter, and he is also their child, be it son or daughter. So this is the way to solve, okay? And try to use this approach in the mock test. And that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.